help you find an awesome portable HVAC cleaning device that can make your job easier. C28T is a professional high-pressure equipment, special designed for HVAC cleaning industry. It has a crankshaft-driven pump with ceramic-coated pistons for long service life, allowing it to work continuously. With its adjustable working pressure from 5 to 8 bar for optimal flexible cleaning, its small size and lightweight allow it to be carried in one hand. This excellent device comes from WIPCOL. WIPCOL is a high-tech enterprise that has been making waves in the air conditioning industry. With a strong focus on providing customers with innovative products in air conditioning, drainage, and maintenance, the company has founded 3 major business units by integrating condensate management, HVAC system maintenance, and HVAC tools and equipment, offering a comprehensive range of solutions to meet the diverse needs of its customers. So if you're in need of some cool solutions for your air conditioning woes, WIPCOL is the company to call. With a strong commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction, WIPCOL is poised to continue leading the way in the high-tech air conditioning sector.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform.